Good evening, 17th of September 2021. Today I'm on leave and I decided that, rather than sitting at home doing nothing much, let's go out and enjoy nature. So we're here in Taman Tugu. I've been here before, I think early last year. I will leave the link in the description, so maybe you can, if you want to enjoy that video, you can enjoy that. Hold on a second, first things first. Okay. Thank you so much. Alright. So we're back here again. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, that government has now allowed sporting activities to be resumed, provided of course you complete your 2-dose vaccination and complete everything, and then you're good to go. So yeah, let's go enjoy Taman Tugu then today. So we've been walking for around like maybe 2 kilometers, I presume. So yep, so far the trail is pretty much quite easy. The trail in Taman Tugu is suitable for, I would say, even for newbies, beginners and all that, and it's not really that tough. It's pretty much a very easy going trail. The tracks are well marked, so there's no way you can go missing. And of course, if you're a bit more on the extreme side, you can actually even go for a trail run and all that. But for me, I'm just since it's been a while, I'll just take a breeze walk, enjoy the nature, smell that nice fragrance that is only available in the jungle. Yep. So yeah, we still got another probably less than 2 kilometers to go. Well, let's continue then. Okay, so we've completed our journey. As you can see, once you reach CP30, you're pretty much completed the whole trail. Of course, we need to get back to CP1 where we started out, but basically this is it. So, and you can see behind me, this used to be some kind of viewing point, where you can climb up and shoot photos and all that, but it's closed now. I think it's due to the pandemic. Probably one of the SOPs, they don't want people to be hanging around there. So yeah, it's okay, it's understood. Anyway, it's been wonderful. It's been a wonderful experience coming back to this trail. What can I say? A much needed break for a lot of us after having been on lockdown, staying at home with not much of exercise, not much of workout. It's really, really something we really, personally for me, I really needed it. Wow, it's an amazing feeling just to be here. Breathing into Mother Nature as well. Okay, so let's head on to CP1 and finish our journey then. Well, there you have it, folks. My vlog of today at Taman Tugu KL. Hope you enjoy it and I hope you like it. And if I could ask you guys one small simple favor is please hit on the subscribe button and click on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on all my latest videos. And with that said, folks, goodbye for now. I'll see you on the next video.